Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to seek Artsadd shipping prices to your Shopify store so the shipping prices shown at checkout match the prices on the Artsadd website. First, please know that if you want to use and seek Artsadd shipping prices in your Shopify store, you will need to contact us in advance. Please email our support team so we can enable the shipping prices settings on your account. Now log into your Shopify account. From the Shopify dashboard, go to Settings, then click on Shipping and Delivery. Here you will need to create a new shipping profile, and for the profile name, enter Artsadd. After that, select the product. And next, under shipping zones, choose the regions or countries where you sell your products. Once you've added a shipping zone, click Add Rate. Then select Use Carrier or App to calculate. You will see multiple shipping methods available here. These methods are provided by Artsadd, and the prices are calculated based on our system. Simply choose the options you want to display in your Shopify store. After everything is set up, click Save to complete the configuration. Now let's do a quick test. Create a new order, select the product, and add a customer. You will see an option to add shipping and delivery. Here you can choose the shipping method you want. You've now successfully seek Artsadd shipping prices to your Shopify store. Well, let's go back to the Artsadd and check the order history. You will see the order we just created, and the shipping method will match exactly with what was selected in Shopify. That's it. If you have any questions or need help, please feel free to contact our support team. Thank you for watching.